What is up, guys? We've got another quick fire recipe for you that you can do any time of the week. We've got a cauliflower mac and cheese, we've got shrimp sauteed in butter, and a side of cucumbers with avocado ranch. All right, guys, let's get right into it. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. The cauliflower mac and cheese is amazing. You won't even miss the pasta. You won't miss the way that you feel after eating a bunch of pasta. This will make you feel good. The shrimp sauteed in butter is awesome. This all fits a nice low-carb diet, if that's what you're following. It is awesome for the ketogenic diet, which is what we follow. The cucumbers with avocado ranch dressing that Hidden Valley makes is very good. You will like that as well. All right, guys, make sure to subscribe, share this with your friends, smash that thumbs up button, and always remember to rock and roll.